This is a small change today, but it might have big repercussions later. I have a spreadsheet here, and in column A, I have several states, California, Texas, Florida, and if we just select any one of those states and look up in the formula bar, you see black text on a white background. All right, but in column B, I have the exact same states. I'm going to select those states, go to the Data tab, and under Data Types, convert those to geography. So when we convert to geography, we get a little map icon next to it. We can click on that map icon and see that they're storing a lot of information about that state, population, area, and so on. And now look up in the formula bar. We're seeing the word California, but we're also seeing the map icon and that white font now on a dark gray background. That's the value token. That's saying, yes, you're seeing California here, but there's all kinds of extra information there. Sometimes something happens in Excel and you say, well, that's a lot of work for something that seems really kind of small. We've had geography data types for a while, but it could be that over the course of the next year, this will make more sense, right? So I suspect this is a feature that's there, and later, maybe they're going to introduce something new. Can't even guess what that would be. But I bet if we revisit this a year from now, the value token will make more sense. So when you see an item up in the formula bar that is white font on a dark background, just know that there's more stored in that cell than just what we're seeing in the formula bar. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.